What's up, guys? Today we have a special unboxing. Uh, I ended up purchasing my Grail watch after quite a few years of thinking, going back and forth, spending on nonsense and whatnot. So I just wanted to share this on this channel. Whoever is watching, thank you for tuning in. I'll just give a very quick updated unboxing review. Not a review, but just an unboxing because I have just picked it up 1 or 2 days back. Worn it maybe once for a few hours, but I'll just cut the nonsense and we'll get to the watch itself and I'll walk you through it. I got it in a nice Grand Seiko branded cover here. This is what you get in the box. Keeping the cover aside, this is the watch box itself. I'm lucky to have gotten this cover because, as you can read, this should be removed and not given to the end customer. So I guess I have a full set, full set. This is the watch box itself. Very blue textured box. Pull it up slightly. Before we get into the watch, let's do a wristwatch check. My Bulova Accutron Space View. So I'll come to why I'm wearing this right now. But now, as to what you would get in the box, get these manuals. It's the warranty card. I suppose this is the user manual, yeah. I suppose this is to keep the warranty card in it. Oh no. It's all that stuff, I suppose. I'm not sure what this is. If any of you tuning in know what it is, just let me know because I have been confused. Looks like a glove or something. I was told it's a carrying thing, but I don't see that. But yeah, very soft, whatever it is. Put the extra links here. I'll just hide the tag so we don't spoil it, but I might just put it in the title of the video. So the unboxing of this watch has been updated from what you would see on YouTube. Otherwise, uh, we'll come to that. It's a much better package in my opinion. It's rice paper, I believe, Japanese rice paper. So you're supposed to pull it out like this. Yeah, you get a microfiber cleaning cloth, not GS branded, but very nice cleaning cloth, very soft. And that's about it. This comes off. There's nothing else. I'm not sure what these are. Just sitting in the box, I suppose, for shock absorption or whatever. Nothing of concern here anymore. Putting the rest of it inside. To the side, and here's the main star of the show. So this is what the watch comes in. Box made in Japan as well. Very soft feeling. Feels unlike leather, but I don't know what the material is. Now for the grand reveal. Yes, it is a Grand Seiko Snowflake SBGA211. I have wanted this watch for years now. Spring Drive, the quintessential Grand Seiko in my opinion. This is the watch that put them on the map. And it used to come in a giant box which had a horrible basic pillow, but it now comes in this travel case thing, which is very useful, much better in my opinion. Now I have it sized to my wrist. I've, like I said, I used it for a while, a few hours, so I'll remove the stickers. But yeah, just coming to the watch itself. So I had a few concerns before buying this watch. One being uh, 41 mm. I generally wear watches which are at most 39, so I wasn't sure how it would fit my wrist. Then there were questions about the lug to lug. This is supposed to be 49 according to the website, but it is around 48, I believe. And here is the moment, the legendary spring drive. Beautiful decoration, much better than it comes off on videos and such. As you can see Tokyo stripes, and you can see the oscillator going, how it differs from a mechanical watch. Of course, it's a spring drive, so bidirectional uh, rotating rotor. Here we can see the amazing Zaratsu polish. I don't want to show myself, so it's a mirror-like finish. Blued seconds hand. I'm just shocked at how thin it is and how beautifully it's blued, thermally blued, of course. This is the power reserve indicator. Let me put it on wrist. Here we go. So yeah, it has a power reserve indicator and the famous snowflake dial. As you can see, the texture. All of the indices are very sharp. Comes off like polished swords, mirror swords, whatever. Frame date indicator and spring drive return blue. Beautiful watch. Applied GS logo. Gothic Grand Seiko font, of course, as is known to be. And let's see, signed crown, screw down crown. It has 100 meters water resistance. So the reason I wore this is because spring drive has a smooth sweeping second hand, very serene, very smooth, especially on the white. But at the same time, this is also vibrating. I guess the tuning fork moment, it hums along compared to this. So yeah, you can see I've just been curious for the longest time. Can you perceive a difference? Because I sure can't. So yeah, that's about it. My Grail watch. Yeah, coming to this, it's a titanium watch. It weighs 100 grams only on all the things. But yeah, now that I have it removed to size my wrist, it barely weighs anything. It's very comfortable. Titanium has a bit of a dullness to it as compared to stainless steel, but I kind of like it because it accentuates the white dial even further. And this is the clasp, which many people don't like. And of course, there is the issue where if it doesn't fit you, you're screwed because there's a micro adjust. But yeah, fits me fine. Double push button deployed with GS signed here. I absolutely love this watch. And as you can see, this is how it looks on my wrist. And as for how titanium compares to platinum, let me just show you my platinum ring. So yeah, this is the color difference as such. So you can see the dullness of titanium. This is made from high intensity titanium. Not sure what that means. Perhaps closer to grade 2 than grade 5. Not really sure. And just enjoy that second hand for a bit. So yeah, that's about it. A quick unboxing video of my Grail watch. Hope it was useful to you. If you have any questions, just please feel free to drop it in the comment section, and I'll try to answer it. Yeah, that's about it. Like and subscribe. Peace out.